Dear Mr. Regular, I'm a high school student / college student.
Yeah, nope. Still in high school.
And I'd like to get into cars. What type of car should I get? And Miata is always the answer, true.
I didn't have the money.
But if you lived in Northeast,
How'd you know?
and you need a car that's going to be your daily and also an enthusiast car, and a car that introduces you to the idea of enthusiast driving, behold the
CG.
EH2.
Honda could have made a real cheap one-piece hatch, but they didn't do that because it got my back.
So, I bought a car. Wanted to know how to drive manual, and so when I got my tax return money back, instead of buying the sound system I wanted, I bought the cheapest running Honda manual that was in decent condition I could find, and I think I got a pretty good deal, and this is what I got. Got a 1999 red Honda Accord EX 5-speed manual. Got 4 tires that came with it, 2 winter in the front, and 2, I think there's 3 season in the back, and 2 in the back, and 2 that came with it that were in the trunk that were also all season. So 6 tires in all, and I think that, and if I sold the doors right there, is worth the $450 I paid for it. Pretty good condition, you know, typical Honda clear coat peeling on the top, but hood's fine, fender's fine, everything else is good. No bumper, just the cover. There's no metal. Because somebody tried snow drifting it a few winters back and crashed it into a building and messed up that whole side, as you'll see right here. So yeah, basically that's the car. Oh, and there's no catalytic converter on it, so this is why it's so loud, and here's an example of it. The inside is really clean. Everything works. Sound system's fine. Wish I had an aux, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna actually spend any money on putting a head unit in this. So just gonna deal with CDs for now. But yeah, everything works inside except for the front right passenger overhead dome light. That's the only thing that doesn't work. Everything else is fine. The lights on the mirrors, both passenger and driver, they both work. Yeah, no real issues. Real quick, I'll just pop the hood and the gas cap. Yeah, the gas cap isn't attached, so I have to twist it off and just rest it on the trunk or something. And the engine bay looks really nice. You know, typical some rust here and there. Older car, but the head looks clean as hell. Head gasket's all good. Timing belt, and we've got 20,000 miles left on it, but you know, that's what Honda recommends because of how long it's been since it was put on. So it could definitely last longer than that. So might just scrap it or part of that when it gets to that point. So yeah, engine's pretty good. No real issues with the car. Brakes are fine. You know, everything's all good mechanically speaking. So got like $3 and change that the previous owner left behind. So appreciate that. And the sunroof works fine. No issues there as well. All good. They definitely gave some space in the back for legroom. Better than, in my opinion, than a Stratus or a like an EG or an EJ Honda. So yeah, definitely a plus. just gonna real quick pull out of the parking lot, drive to the end of this street that this place is on, this parking lot is on. To enjoy my abilities at driving manual after about 3 hours of practice total so far. So yeah. I'll be putting a link in the description for how I got the car so cheap off Craigslist if you're interested. And that's it. Thank you for watching.